Okay, very good morning to everyone. Today we're going to look at Captain Nobody. Okay, I believe that yesterday I have provided you with the question. Okay, the question says, the question will be going on like this. Based on the novel that you have studied, describe a life-changing event that happens to a character. What has it taught you? Provide a close reference to the text. Okay, for this question, first of all, you need to understand the requirement of the question itself. Okay, the task that you need to complete. Okay, actually, what do you need to do if you have your pen right now? I want you to identify the keywords for this question. Alright? You need to identify the keywords for this question. Alright? First and foremost, if you notice, the question requires you to describe a life-changing event. Okay? Number one, what I want you to do is to underline the word, underline the phrase, describe a life-changing event. Okay? Then, that happens to a character. Okay? Life-changing event that happens to a character. And then, finally, what has it taught you? Okay, there are three elements that you need to address for this question. Alright? First of all, you need to describe a life-changing event. Number two, you need to involve a character. And number three, from that particular life-changing event, the outcome of the event, and one moral value that you can learn from that particular character. Alright? Okay, so first of all, I give you about 1 minute. Okay, I give you about 1 minute. Okay, at the chat box, can you tell me, okay, you just use the chat box. Can you tell me what is the life-changing event that happens into a character in the novel that we have learned? Okay, use the chat box. About 1 minute. Okay, saving Reggie Redknapp. Is it a life-changing event? Probably. Or probably maybe I'll ask one by one at random. Newt makes a breakfast for his family. Okay, probably it's a life-changing event according to Ahmad Harid. Saving the ferret. Saving Ferocious the ferret, answered by Muskarina. Okay, others? How about the others? Okay, let's see, Shahira. Shahira says, save the passengers in the plane. Okay, probably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Let's get analytical. Okay, if you analyze the story, as usual, I require you to answer this question based on 3 particular events, right? Okay, now, what character do you think that you want to choose to answer this question? Can I ask Nukman? Is Nukman there? Team Casual. Not sure if Nukman is there. How about Nazrin? Nazrin, are you there? Okay. Which character do you think is suitable for you to answer this question? Okay, probably you can choose Newton, alright? Okay, why Newton? Can I ask, I would like to ask Simon Kai.
Because he has many moral values.
Okay, because he has many moral value, probably. I will accept that. Okay, how about Nur Shah Amira? Shamira, are you there? Okay, probably no. Okay, how about Raoub? Okay, not sure. Okay, now to answer this question, first of all, you need to be analytical for what event that you want to choose. Okay, number one, if you analyze the question again, life-changing event. Okay, what do you understand with the phrase a life-changing event? Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu kita sebut peristiwa yang mengubah kehidupan seseorang. Alright, peristiwa mana tu? Okay, a life-changing event yang berlaku pada satu watak, dan apakah yang awak telah pelajari daripada watak tersebut, atau daripada peristiwa tersebut. Alright, so a life-changing event here, alright, it refers to when Newton becomes Captain Nobody. Alright, okay, when did he become Captain Nobody? Can I ask, bila dia jadi Captain Nobody? How about I'm going to ask Agus, finally you are here. Okay, can I ask Syairatul Lanati, when Newton becomes Captain Nobody?
After what? I forget.
Oh, you forget. Alright, never mind, no problem. Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, how about how about Syaira Syariman? Can I ask this question? When did he become Captain Nobody?
Masa dia tolong Shishil.
Oh, masa dia tolong Shishil. Masa when he helped Shishil to get the big bass drum. Yes. Okay, masa tu actually dia dah jadi dah. Dia dah jadi Captain Nobody dah. Okay, do you remember the Halloween party that they supposed to go? Shishil, JJ and Newton. If you remember, can you just raise hand? Okay, masa tu kan if you notice, based on the story, they are planning for a Halloween party, right? So during the Halloween party, before the Halloween party, Newton he felt stressed because his brother was in coma, right? Because of the big match game. and then what happened was a big tackle, and then the brother went into coma, and it has caused Newton to feel sad for his brother. All right. What happened next? Okay. JJ and Shishil try out to help Newton, okay, to prepare for his Halloween party. All right. So from the costume that he wore that night, he became Captain Nobody. All right. Okay. So now we're going to look at introduction. All right. Okay. Based on the novel that you have studied, describe a life-changing event. Okay. So the life-changing event will be the moment when he becomes Captain Nobody. All right. Okay. Nazrul is there. Okay, when he becomes Captain Nobody. After he wore the costume, selepas dia pakai costume tu, barulah dia jadi Captain Nobody. Okay, what is the significance of wearing the costume? After wearing the costume, he becomes a brave person. Alright, he becomes brave. Alright, so now we're going to look at the point. Okay, a life-changing event will be JJ and Shishil help Newton to find a suitable costume for Halloween party. Alright, so which character? The character will be Newman. Okay, what has it taught you? There will be 3 lessons that you probably learn from Newman. Okay, after becoming Captain Nobody, he becomes brave. Or you can choose that he becomes determined, or he becomes a courageful person. All right. The most easiest you can choose, he became a brave man or a brave person. All right. So now, to start write your introduction. Okay. Number one. Okay, siapa yang ada pen dengan pensel tu, cepat-cepat tulis introduction ni. Alright. Okay, so number one, you're going to answer the question. Based on the novel Captain Nobody written by Dean Spifford, the novel tells us a story about a boy, Newman, who lacked self-esteem but finally had found his true colors in his life. It happens when he faced an incident that surely changed his whole life. This event happened when Newton's best friend, JJ and Shishil, were helping to find a suitable costume. Okay, so later on in your answer, I want you to underline this event. Okay. Helping to find a suitable costume for Newton for Halloween night. Okay, that is a life-changing event. At first, he just wore an uninteresting clothes, which are Chris' old clothes. But then, Shishil and JJ used all of their creativity to find a brand new look for Newt. JJ cuts Chris' sweater and changes it into a meaningful mask for Newt, which is the mask that he will wear to save people as the story progresses. In my opinion, this event completely changed his life because after he dons his Captain Nobody costume, he has become a brave person than before. All right. Okay. So this part has answered your introduction. Okay. Number one, life-changing event, which is a suitable costume. Number two, the character, which is Newton as well, has been addressed. And number three, okay, what has it taught you? Okay, from that particular event, it taught us to become a brave person. Okay, from that particular event, it has become, okay, Newton has become a brave person. All right, now, that is only an introduction. Okay, now you're going to write your content points. Okay, now for content point, at least, okay, Ashraf has joined. You need to provide 3 supporting details. Okay, 3 supporting details that explains about Newton. Okay, that explains about Newton as a brave person. Okay, so which event do you think that you want to choose? At least 3, At least 3 event. At least 3. Okay, for those who have the notes that I provided you, now you can refer to the notes. Okay, try to find 3 events that has the value of bravery. Okay, the value of bravery, everyone. Okay, so now, do you think event number 1, Newton prepares breakfast for his family, is suitable for you to use to answer this question? Okay, if you think yes, you can raise hand. If you don't think it is not suitable to be used, just put a hex on the chat box within 1 minute. Okay, I repeat again. For those who think that Agus raise hand. Agus, you sure lah? Okay, Akila Balki says
Yes, sir.
hex. Good.
I'm sure about that.
You sure about that? Finally, you are here. Okay, Shaira says hex. Good. Alia Natasha says hex. Sam says no. Kim casual. Finally. Okay, most of you say no. Okay, because okay, good. Keep on answering. Nazrul say hex. Okay, now to answer this question, why event number 1 is not suitable to be used? Okay, it is because if you look at the story again, we have choose an event which is preparing costume for Newton Newman. Preparing breakfast is before that particular event. So you don't have to use preparing breakfast as your supporting details, all right, or supporting event. Okay, now analyze the question again. As I ask you to choose any 3 events that represent the value of bravery. Okay, now I would like to ask you at random. I'll choose which event that you will choose, all right, to answer this question. Okay, probably I'm going to start from Nurul Irina. Irina, are you there? Okay, probably she's not there. Okay, Sullivan Jewelry Store. Okay, another 2? Okay, probably that is 1. Okay, how about Nurin Anasya?
Anisha, sir.
Anisha, okay, sorry. Okay, Nurin, can you state at least 3 events that you're going to choose to answer this question?
Newt get the big bass drum from the dumpster for Cecil.
Okay, Nurin gets the big bass drum for Shishil. Okay, next.
Newt saved Ferocious the ferret.
Okay, good. Ferocious the ferret, saving Ferocious the ferret, good.
Number 3, Newt climbs up Appleton Water Safe Reggie Redknapp.
Okay, Newt climbs up Appleton Water Tower to save Reggie Redknapp. Okay, those three answers is acceptable because it represents the value of bravery. Okay, and it happens after Newton becomes captain. Nobody. Okay, thank you, Nuril. Okay, how about Akila Balkish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you state three events that you want to choose to answer this question?
Wait event number 2, get big bass drum. Lepas tu,
Okay.
kalau, no. Helps JJ ni Sullivan's Jewelry Store.
Okay, help at Sullivan Jewelry Store. Good.
Need save Ferocious the ferret.
Okay, Newt say Ferocious the ferret. Okay, the answers are acceptable because it represents the value of bravery. Thank you, Akila. Okay, next. How about Nazrul? Nazrul, are you there? Nazrul is not there, probably. Muskarina?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you state at least three events that you're going to choose?
The first one is Newt helps JJ at the Sullivan's Jewelry Store.
Okay.
Second one is Newt gets the big bass drum from the dumpster for Cecil. The third one is Newt saves Ferocious the ferret.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Muskarina. Okay, how about Shazmi? Shazmi, can you share with us at least three events that you're going to choose to answer this question?
Three event.
Yes.
Event tiga event. Yang Newt sediakan breakfast.
No.
Oh, habis tu?
You cannot choose preparing breakfast because it is not a life-changing event.
Oh, life changing Life changing.
Bila lepas dia jadi Captain Nobody?
Lepas jadi Captain Nobody. Saya tak tahu lah, saya tak ingat.
Oh, tak ingat. Okay, never mind, no problem. Alright, so now we're going to prepare our first content point. Alright. Have you written down the introduction? Have you written down the introduction, everyone? Yes or no?
Not yet.
The first paragraph already.
Not yet. Okay, I'll snapshot the introduction and I'll pass it in WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay. For content point 1. Alright. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now the way that I narrate this answer, okay, the event had caused a change in Newt's life as the costume helped him to conquer all his fears. It was shown when Newt helped Cecil to get the big bass drum on the top of the dumpster. Okay, kat sini kau kena cuba kaitkan balik dengan life changing event tu. Okay, disebabkan life changing event tu, Newton berjaya menakluk semua jenis ketakutan yang dia hadapi. Okay, so salah satu event yang menunjukkan dia dah tak takut ialah tolong Cecil to get the big bass drum. Okay, one of the event that shows that he's no longer afraid is when he helped Cecil to get the big bass drum. So ayat ni kena adalah yang kat depan ni. Okay, sebab awak nak cuba kaitkan balik dengan soalan. Okay, now I think you can write this down. Okay. Okay, you can write this down. The event had caused a change in Newton's life as the costume helped him to conquer all his fear. It was shown when Newt helped Cecil to get the big bass drum on the top of the dumpster. Alright. You can choose write it within 1 minute. Is it possible? Okay, now for synopsis, okay, you have to copy down from this part lah. Alright. Newt runs home quickly after school, and after he realizes that his parents still do not know about Captain Nobody, and he does not want to get weird reaction from them. While he is on the way home, Cecil contacts him for help. He feels reluctant, but he decided to meet Cecil at the corner of Warren and Candace Streets. Cecil is with a wagon. There's a big bass drum on the dumpster, and Cecil wants Newt to get it for him. Newt is afraid of height, acrophobia, but he tries to be brave and determined to help Cecil. Newt climbs up the dumpster to help Cecil to get the big bass drum. Alright? So after you write down the synopsis, and then you need to give your own opinion. Okay, as I thought before, you need to start off with in my opinion. Or if you don't want to choose in my opinion, you can use in my perspective or in my point of view. Alright? Okay, so now for your opinion, you can start write a simple sentence like this. In my opinion, this event completely changed his life because after he dons his Captain Nobody costume, he has become a more confident person than before. Alright? So secara tak langsung, he became a brave person. Alright. Have you wrote it down? Yes or no, everyone? Dah ke belum? No, sir. Oh, yes, okay. Alright, I'll snapshot lah the screen later. I'll provide in your WhatsApp group. Okay, if I've forgotten, can you just remind me? Okay, we're going to proceed with CP2, content point 2. Okay, that is content point 1. Okay, this is going to be a new paragraph. Alright, if you can see my screen, alright, I would like to have Danish Iskandar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Danish, can you see my screen? Can you read it out loud?
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Okay. Apart from that, the reason why I believe that the event had changed Newt's life is when he was brave. He now run. Nak macam mana nak cakap ni? Onto the highway to save Ferocious the ferret.
Okay, thank you, Danish.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, so for your content point 2, alright, you need to state another reason. Okay, just now few of you had stated that saving Ferocious the ferret, which is a suitable answer for this part. Okay, to start off your next paragraph, so you can start off with saying, apart from that, selain itu, the reason why I believe that the event had changed Newt's life is when he was brave enough, okay, actually to run onto the highway to save Precious the parrot. Okay, so kena kaitkan balik dengan life changing event tadi tu. Alright, disebabkan peristiwa tu, dia jadi Captain Nobody melalui kostum, dia telah pun mengubah hidup Newton untuk menjadi lagi berani, dan dia berjaya menyelamatkan Precious the ferret dengan berlari untuk menyelamatkannya di highway. Alright? Okay, kaitkan balik dengan soalan. Okay, you need to relate it to the question again. Okay, for your opinion, okay, synopsis as usual lah, you take from the notes that I've provided you. Okay, ambil daripada nota yang saya dah bagi. Okay, for your opinion, Newt's life had changed a lot because of his costume. He dared to take risks only to save an animal's life. He took a big risk to make sure that nothing bad happened to Precious the ferret. So I think maybe we can also find something for ourselves that can give us the spirit to overcome our weaknesses to be a better person in the future. Alright? This could be your opinion. Alright? Okay, next. CP3. Okay, CP3. Okay, content point 3, I think I'll give it to Irfan.
Yeah.
Okay, Irfan, tolong bacakan.
Baca. Last but not least, the event changed Newt to become a brave person is because Newt climbs Appleton Water Tower to save Reggie Redknapp.
Okay, good. Thank you, Irfan.
Oh, tu je
Itu je.
Okay.
Okay. For synopsis, awak jangan tulis synopsis dalam jawapan. Okay, you write the synopsis of this particular chapter in your answer. Okay, the details lah, the explanation. Okay, last but not least, this event. Okay. Okay. This event changes. Okay, this event ni merujuk kepada yang pasal diorang help Newton to get a new costume. This event changes Newt to become a brave person is because Newt climbs Appleton Water Tower to save Reggie Redknapp. Alright. So this is another event that shows Newton became a brave person. Okay. Peristiwa ni disebabkan life changing event tadi tu. Alright. So for your answer, in my opinion, after he opt to choose to wear Captain Nobody costume, he finds his new avatar. Okay, avatar ni maksudnya diri dia yang lagi satu lah. After wearing the costume, he has shown, okay, not have, he has shown bravery. Okay, he has shown bravery in life as he able to solve problem and challenges in life. He helped his family and friends and other people who he cares for. As Newt shows bravery after he wore the Captain Nobody costume. Alright, ini adalah CP3. Okay, we have done, almost done. Okay, finally we're going to write conclusion. Alright. Okay, conclusion senang. To wrap it up, okay, kalau tak nak pakai to wrap it up, awak boleh pakai in conclusion. The evidence above clearly prove that making the Captain Nobody costume is an event that had changed Newton's life. Newt became an extraordinary person because of his costume. Alright? Okay, so kalau awak nak tambah lagi boleh, from this event, he became a brave person. Alright? Okay, done. Alright. So we have answered the question. Alright. Itu je lah. So we have come to a conclusion. Okay, so nanti kalau kau nak jawab, okay, so this is a sample answer. Alright. Okay, this is a sample answer. So later, kalau nak jawab macam ni lah. Alright. I believe that for paragraph 1 and 2, you can join it together. Okay, jadikan dia satu paragraph. Okay, kalau kat sini tengok ada dua event saja. Okay. You can add on another event. Alright. Okay. I hope that you able to answer this question. Okay. Please submit to me by 2 PM boleh tak hari ni? Sebab saya kena siapkan laporan sebelum pukul 6. Alright. Okay. Siapa ada soalan? Okay. Those who have question? No one has question? Okay. Kalau tak ada soalan, saya anggap semua faham. Okay, I believe that everyone is clear with the task provided. Alright. And then I hope that you can send the answer to me by 2 PM. Okay, sebelum pukul 2. Or paling lambat pukul 3 lah. Alright. Okay, so kalau tak ada soalan, I believe that the lesson has came to the end. Alright. So kita boleh ni lah dismiss. Alright. Kalau tak ada apa-apa masalah buat kali terakhir, raise hand first. Kalau tak ada apa-apa masalah, raise hand. Okay, so ramai yang tak ada masalah nampaknya. Semua raise hand. Sebab kelas nak habis kan? Alright. Okay, thank you. Wah, semua raise hand. Alright. So let me stop recording first. Alright, no problem Muskarina. Okay, I'm going to stop recording it.